Obama. You know I gotta stop by my African gray and give him the good word. Obama. 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 Oh. My hopes are one day that some far right-wing dudes at the zoo and the bird just says Obama. That's my hopes. I've been coming here for years telling that bird Obama. Hoping. I tell the other one up here the same thing in hopes that he sits up there and one day says Obama. But my other African gray here, he coming up here. Oh, the cockatoo. I tell him too. Obama. 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 You gotta talk to the birds. Some of these birds. I'm not gonna be here that day when the dude hears the bird and just looks at the bird like, "How dare you, bird?"